Welcome to the channel. I got another package from Amazon from VulgrCo.com. They make 3M decals, you know, for your windshields or windows of your cars or bikes, you know, whatever. I got something made. Oh, I'll open this up here. I got something made for the bike here. I'm gonna put on my windshield. Roy's Moto Ventures, YouTube. Boom. First thing, I gotta clean my windshield. It's dirty as hell, so I'll be back when that's all clean and stuff. All right, let me try to clean some of the bugs off of this. Whoa! Sorry about that, almost knocked the camera over. There we go. Oh, nice and clean. Just the windshield. The rest of the bike is filthy as hell. This is a little difficult for me to do. I'm not the greatest. Figured out where we're going to put it, like kind of right there. Well, I can't even see though, so that's no problem. Now, do you peel this off?
Peel the back all the way off.
All the way off.
Yep, that's what they said. No, right? Yep. Right, is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. There you go.
Yeah, see, this is what you don't get.
Let me take it.
They said you can keep peeling it up and back and forth, but you don't want to do it too many times.
That's about as good as you're going to get it right there.
Okay.
See?
Okay. There we go.
Hang on a second. What do you think? It's a little bit, it's tipped a little bit this way, but not bad. I'm not going to get any better.
But this is, where would we go with? The tip of this, or the tip, or should have went with the tip of the letter, with the white, because that's.
But we cut this pretty level now.
Okay. Okay.
I'm going to go with it. What do you think?
Yeah. Well, you got a bubble there, though. All right.
Good?
Yep.
Is that, everything else is pretty good?
It looks good.
Okay.
All right. So now we just.
Now just start.
All right. So when you get one of these, you just peel off the back. You measure where you want it to go. You peel off the back and then you stick it on there, and then you rub it all down here. Rub all your letters down. And then slowly peel the clear back off. Well, here we go. I'm gonna try.
Slow. Did it peel up at all when you started doing that?
I can't see.
Here, I got it. Don't touch anything.
Because it says go back over.
Yeah, but wait. Yeah.
It's easier to use your finger because this thing just that.
Got it?
You really gotta really slowly. I mean
And-
slowly.
And depending on the letter, you kind of got to go against the letter.
You gotta really play with your pull on this. Pull from what, depending on the letter, what side you're pulling the clear thing off with.
There you go, now just pressing down.
Yeah. There. That looks pretty good, I think.
Yeah, it looks-
that looks pretty good. Eh?
Looks pretty good. You're not going to be, of
Yeah. What do you think? Looks good?
course.
What? What? You had to do it?
No, of course you had to do it. You should have done it reverse. So,
Oh yeah, I don't want to do it in reverse. I don't want to do it in reverse. I want it so it looks good to me.
Some people look at it like,
Yeah. It's so small you ain't gonna be able to see it in the rearview mirror anyway.
That one like,
Yeah. No, yeah, I think that was good.
yeah, no, I'd let that dry before you like do any more to your windshield or anything like that.
Oh, I'm not doing anything else.
You know.
All right. Cool. Like I said, I'll put the link in the description below. And, leave me a comment. What do you think? Does it look all right? And, hey, if you... Yeah, all right. All right, so that was it. It's a little tricky. Just got to play around with it, but it looks good. So, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the bell so you're notified of new videos when they come out. Leave a comment below. How's it look? Looks all right? Pretty cool to me. And give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.